Hi there people, welcome to part 8 of the Airbus series. Let's get started right away and create the vertical stabilizer for the Airbus. So let me hide my fuselage and switch over to the top view and grab the spline tool. And I'm going to create a flat curve like this. I'm going to snap on the y-axis because I want to mirror this later. What I can do here, I'm going to snap the pivot right there with a V key, and you can rotate this just a little bit. And make sure the points are on the y-axis, so you'll be able to mirror this. Hit W, hold down Control, and snap it on the y-axis. There we go. So I can now select the curve and hit the mirror button. There we go. Now you can snap the pivot there and just rotate it a bit. Just put it inside the fuselage and then hit Shift D, duplicate it. And then you want to scale it across the Z axis and then scale it all the way down to make it really small. Just like that. So we have the top, the bottom. We need a couple of guides here. So let's quickly give it a try. Select both, hit L, okay, perfect. And so let's grab now the control point curve tool and just create a guide like this. Okay, hopefully that'll work out. Let's give it a try. Yeah, it works, but it looks like jam. The reason for this is that we need to create some guides to support the surface, right? So let's create that with a spline tool, a guide here, and just do the same on the other side. And in the front view, make adjustments if it's needed, guys. Oops. Let's pull it back. Okay. There we go. Okay, you can now mirror this guy here. Don't forget to click on Merge Hubs Together. Now we need to cut it. I'm going to create a simple vertical line here and another one right here. And now select the curve, hit C, and select the stabilizer and cut it. But before doing this, I want to patch the top and the bottom, just like that. And then you can cut it. There we go. Okay, let me pull it back. Make sure you turn on the snap on the grid so you'll be able to put it back. And next I'm going to bevel everything. Okay, let's go ahead and create a simple line like this. I'm going to cut my stabilizer all the way through and just pull it back like this, hit C and cut it just like that. So now I want to combine the stabilizer with the fuselage, but before I do that, I just need to pull it back just a tiny bit so we won't have any issue when we bevel this out. Okay, let's give it a nice fillet here. There we go. That's it for today's video, guys. I'll see you in the next one.